Functional areas, location, introduction. Loading. Water rinse 1. Pre-degreasing. Degreasing. Water rinse 2. Water rinse 3. Chromating. Water rinse 4. Water rinse 5. Pure water rinsing. Drying oven. Paint room. Curing oven. Cooling section. Unloading. Automatic powder coating line. Manual loading. Conveyor chain system. The workpiece undergoes water rinse 1 cleaning. Workpiece undergoes pre-degreasing cleaning. Workpiece undergoes degreasing cleaning. Workpiece undergoes water rinse 2 and water rinse 3. Workpiece undergoes chromate treatment. Workpiece undergoes water rinse 4, water rinse 5, and pure water rinsing. Workpiece drying treatment. Temperature 60 to 80 degrees centigrade. Workpiece enters the paint room for spraying. Workpiece curing treatment. Temperature 180 to 200 degrees centigrade. The workpiece enters the cooling area. Manual unloading. Intelligent coating equipment manufacturer.